Space. It surrounds us. But what is its essence? Is it a blank canvas waiting to be filled? A place that holds potential? Potential yet to be unfolded? An in-between that connects rather than separates? A pause that allows you to breathe? An expanse full of possibilities. In Japan, we call this space Ma. It's the heart of things, like a promise yet to be fulfilled. Ma creates moments of awareness and calm in the chaos of everyday life. A feeling of orientation, harmony, and balance. And it is fundamental to growth. We need space to develop and transform. The all-new Mazda CX-80 defines space in a most beautiful and versatile manner, based on the concept of Ma. The combination of craftsmanship, carefully selected materials, and the Japanese feeling of space opens up a whole new dimension of effortless comfort for the driver, for all passengers, and for everything your life has to offer. Everything begins with empty space, like a blank canvas waiting to be filled. Now it's your time to unfold the full potential of your life. The all-new Mazda CX-80, crafted in Japan.